Where are you going? Oh, here comes Tristan in the lead. Oh, here comes Tristan in the lead. Oh, there he goes. Oh, Sadie's getting in the pool. She's going to take a shortcut. Oh, here we go. Do a cannonball. Do a cannonball. Let's see a cannonball, Tristan. Oh, here we go. Don't you wish you had that energy?
Are you expecting a different result?
Here we go.
What are you doing there, Minnie?
Tristan, please help me, she said.
I'll get a picture of that.
I got it. Got it in the movies.
Watch the belly.
Oh, look at there.
Nice.
Attaboy.
Very nice.
Oh, here we go. Round and round we go. Hurry up. You gotta catch him.
Watch that pipe. Watch that pipe.
Tristan, can you gallop like a horse?
Okay.
Gallop like a horse. I did it. You gonna be the first to do a cannonball?
Be careful.
Let me see you do a cannonball. Attaboy.
I did.
Okay, here's Sadie gonna do a cannonball.
Let's see it.
Alright, let's cannonball. Oh, good job.
Big one.
What a face.
Where are you going?
I'm going climbing up.
Oh, well do a cannonball.
Pipe. Watch the pipe. There you go.
Do a cannonball.
Move. Do your move and do a cannonball.
Woo!
Good move.
Superman. Superman.
Is that your move?
Big swoop. Big swoop.
What
Come on,
about
Superman. See the move.
How about City?
Let me see the move. Come on, do your move, Superman move.
Oh, that wasn't a cannonball.
Oh,
Oh.
Wipe it off. Wipe it off. No, your head. Wipe your head off. See? There you go.
There
Wipe
you
it off.
Cannonball. No.
you gotta bring her home. She'll be asleep. Watch the pipe. There you go. Jump. Keep galloping like a horse.
Oh, here we go.
Skip, Tristan, skip. Skip. That's like the gallop. Yeah.
Good job.
You gonna do a cannonball, Sadie? I can do a cannonball too. No, you have to run and jump.
Good job.
All right.
All right, Sadie.
Good job.